Hi. Funny thing, we got this gift card for Christmas at Cheesecake Factory, so we're driving to Cheesecake Factory.
And no one thought about bringing the gift card.
So now we're looking for a restaurant that's near the area. We found this place, and we can't wait to tell you what the name is, right? I'll show it to you soon. That's the name of the restaurant. Can you read it?
Peck Peck Chicken.
Usual?
Yes, anything? You remember only the first love, not spicy.
Not spicy today.
That?
6 vendors. 20 to 25. 20 to 25.
Okay.
Wait for baby rice.
Yes. That's your
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
That's your peck sandwich.
I'll see you after we eat.
There's lettuce in there.
Yum yum.
So we just had our lunch at
Peck Peck Chicken.
here at Tenafly, New Jersey. So it's basically a hole in the wall, but it looks like a local favorite. It's also one of the highest rated restaurants within this area.
It seems to also be family run because
Yes.
I'm pretty sure we were
The mother and
helped by
son.
the owner's mother.
So how was your Peck Peck sandwich?
It was good. Why are you laughing so much?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, there was a sign that said this was the best Peck Peck Chicken in the area in what, 2019, 2017?
Right, according to
2024?
Yelp. So I give it a 4 stars out of 5.
I'm gonna give it a 4.5.
Wow, you really like it that much?
Yeah,
Huh?
it's a cute.
Oh, the bread tastes like pandesal too, right?
The bread is soft but structured, very pandesal like. Yep.
So when you're hungry, go eat a Peck Peck chicken.
All right, subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye.